And you know, you're saying you're interested to join my 6-day challenge, but do you think it's suitable for me? I mean, for you, it's still work there to be applied. You know, is it work here to be applied to my Shopee stores and all that? Okay, now, Roboy, come back to my website, click on courses, go all the way down. There is this very specific course for Facebook ads for Shopee store, which is tailor-made for Shopee sellers, Lazada sellers, or any e-commerce marketplace sellers where you are selling on somebody else's website and you don't have your own website. So that's where you should learn. Okay, so this is a very interesting program that actually been learned by, you know, I think I have a few hundred, close to 1,000 students that actually learn from this. It's powerful. Trust me, it's powerful. The other day, I was just talking to a friend in Thailand. Okay, he does a trading business. You know, he just started his Shopee store. He said day 1, he learned the thing, implement. Day 2, follow the step 2, which is the 2-step funnel part. You know, on day 2 itself, he said he got sales. And day 4 and all that, you know, things was going well for him. I was really happy about that when he actually talked to me about that. So that's really something that you should learn. And right away, definitely it applies to all, wherever you are, right? As long as you're selling on marketplace like Shopee and Lazada. Even somebody were actually using this for Amazon store, it worked.